Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 29 of this series, and in this episode we are going to learn about how Algo Trading Bot is designed to handle forced manual intervention. So let's get into today's session in detail. Most of the algo trading in general requires undisturbed execution. It means you're not supposed to disturb it, and if you do, algo might crash and produce undesired results. But our ATP bot accounts for manual intervention, and it is designed to account for any such manual intervention even during its execution. So, for example, for some reason you want to manually intervene and manually close just one of the legs of open positions created by your algo trading bot. Can you do that without running into any issues? Yes, 100%. You can always do that without running into any issues. You can pitch in at any point in time and manually close any of the open positions without running into any issues. Also, the bot will monitor such changes or impacts and will continue with rest of its work without running into any troubles. So, we have already accounted for any human interference or any human touch, and any such intervention would be handled by the bot automatically. So even if you close any trades in the middle of the day, Algo will realize what had happened and will continue with rest of its function smoothly. That's the beauty of our bot. So, is the bot designed to handle manual interventions? Yes, 100%. The bot will adjust for any such manual interventions that you do from your end. So this brings us to the close of today's episode. We have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders Program. This is where our algo trades and results are published on daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Also, we are providing real-time live feed of our algo trades on daily basis in our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitation for live session. Stay tuned for this exciting journey.